Have you been checking out Kajabi review videos and possibly are interested in getting a Kajabi membership, but have just been on the fence as to whether or not the investment is right for you? Well, stay tuned because in this video, I'm going to go over the limited time offer that Kajabi has made available that gives you 80% off of their membership plan and an additional bonus that you won't want to miss. Right now, you can access 3 months of Kajabi for $99. Now, this is typically a growth plan at $199 per month, but right now you can access 3 months of the growth plan for one payment of just $99. Here's what that includes. You'll get access to 15 products and 15 sales funnels so that you can really expand and grow your business as needed. You'll get access to unlimited landing pages and marketing emails, as well as 25,000 contacts. Now, here's why that is so important. If we were to go over to Active Campaigns pricing and take a look at just email access, you can see that 25,000 contacts with a platform like Active Campaign would cost you, even on the low end, $372 per month. Now, with Kajabi, you get access to an email marketing feature along with templates, but you get so much more than just that. Like I said, you can have digital products, you can have coaching products, you can have memberships, right? You have so much flexibility in how you grow and scale your digital business, which makes the growth plan just that much better. But that's not all. You get access to Kajabi University. Now, Kajabi University is a digital platform that gives you access to multiple different marketing and sales experts so that you can get up and running with your business as quickly as possible using Kajabi, so that within those 3 months that you have access, you can go from 0 to 500 to 1,000 to even $5,000 per month before your trial even ends. And why do I say that? Well, it's been done. Just take a look on kajabipromo.com and you will see stories of other people who have achieved incredible success with Kajabi in a limited amount of time, including this one story where a dog trainer within her first 3 months made $5,000, easily covering the investment in Kajabi. Now, to make sure you're never alone in your journey for success, Kajabi has also included a welcome call and a check-in call with your access, which means you will get access to a Kajabi expert who will walk you through immediately everything that you need to know about the platform, how to get started, how to get results, and then you will have a success call again with a Kajabi expert to go over any additional questions, tactics, strategies that you might be interested in. Basically, Kajabi makes sure that you are never left frustrated, stranded on your own. And to double down on this fact, they also include 24/7 chat support for the platform, which means if you ever get stuck at any point in building a product, building a page, getting your course content online, starting live coaching, you name it, you are one click away from a live person 24 hours a day who can make sure that you get back up and running quickly, so you aren't stuck like many other platforms waiting for days or weeks sometimes for a tech support email to come back to you. And even then, sometimes it's constant back and forth, which further delays your results. So basically, Kajabi has set up the ultimate offer to make sure you not only get access to the business tools you need, the business support you need, but they've also included something much better. And that is peace of mind. You have 3 months of access to one of their best plans without having to worry about that next month's payment coming due and having to feel pressured to get a ton of results in just 30 days, which many people do, but now you have 90 days to get results with the Kajabi growth plan that can easily cover your expenses moving forward. Let's talk about the $997 business bundle that I also talked about. See, I have a bonus bundle that anybody who gets access to Kajabi through my partner link, kajabipromo.com, will get immediate access to. It includes my business growth system training, which I've used to help small businesses increase their sales by 30% or more in as little as 30 days. It also includes my profitable niche selection training so that you can find a profitable, highly responsive market quickly so that you can also get up and running as soon as possible with Kajabi. And last but not least, it also includes a one-on-one success call with myself where we will go over your plans for future growth, how we can achieve that using Kajabi, and any other questions you might have. So right now, this is literally the best no-brainer offer that Kajabi has ever offered, but it's only available for a limited time. So if you are on the fence about trying out Kajabi, or if you've just been waiting for the right opportunity, right now, for a limited time, you have that opportunity. Head over to kajabipromo.com, grab access to this discounted deal before it's gone, because it's only available for a few short weeks. And in the meantime, I will talk to you soon.